My name is Alisa and I'm 57 years old and I'm a businesswoman. I'm a mother of 3 kids and I'm full of energy finally again. The symptoms I had before seeing Dr. Sun were um, really quite horrific. Looking back, last year was probably the worst year I've ever had in my life because I didn't know what was happening to me. It started spiraling down into probably the deepest depression I've ever had in my life, and I'm not a person that suffers from depression. My period had stopped about 3 or 4 years before that, and I thought I had breezed through menopause. So I didn't associate it with menopause at all, but I didn't know what was going on. I'd lost energy, and in fact, probably into the 6th month of that depression, I felt like an old woman. I literally felt like an old woman. And I felt that all the dreams that I had were no longer important. I was tired. I had no motivation. I was apathetic, and I lost my passion. And I think that's why I felt like an old woman. And I remember, like by 6 o'clock, 6:30, I was out on the couch and ready for bed, exhausted. And someone mentioned to me that it could be hormones. I didn't think so because I've been really healthy most of my life and really health conscious, and I didn't think it had anything to do with hormones, but they kept pressing in and bringing that up to me, and finally they're the ones that told me about Dr. Sun, and I did some research, and then I thought, well, maybe. And by the time I said maybe, it's because I was really desperate. And I just thank God that that's what it was. Some of the things I tried were through my alternative doctor, and they didn't work. I went through a very long detoxification program, and then I did go see my regular doctor, my treating physician, and of course she recommended antidepressant, a weight loss pill, and pills for sleeping. And I'd never done that before, and I wasn't about to do it. So there I was again, without really an answer. Oh, the pellets were wonderful. Within 3 days, I noticed a surge of energy, and I have a little story to share about that. But I was able to start sleeping through the night. My depression disappeared, which is really miraculous. It just disappeared. But as far as the energy goes, I'd been sleeping, probably starting to go to sleep about 6:30 or 7 o'clock every night for the last 8 months or so. And within 3 days of the pellets, we were on a road trip. And we were going up the central part of California, and of course we had to stop potty break. And my husband and my kids went in, and I decided that I was going to run around the perimeter of the rest stop. When they came out, they were just flabbergasted to see me jogging around the perimeter of the rest stop because I had this energy that I hadn't had for a long time, and I just felt like doing it. Clarity in my brain, the passion returned, the dreams came back, and I feel like I'm myself again. Some of the feedback I got was from my immediate family. My husband will testify probably to a long list of things that changed for the better. And my daughter, who was living with us, my teenage daughter, said that I was a different woman, I was better. I didn't realize that I had been biting her head off or reacting to her before. I didn't realize that. And she said I was calmer and I was more myself. My friends around me were saying that the old Alisa was back with the passion and the energy. I'm going to start crying. That's why I had to stop.
Do you want to clean it?
Ah.
No, it's okay. Let me get a tissue for you.
I absolutely love Dr. Sun, and just thinking about what she has done for me this last year makes me cry. In fact, just right now, just thinking about it. She's given me my life back. She's given me the passion that I had lost. I've got my dreams back, and my husband and I are having the time of our life. We are in our 50s, our kids are grown up, empty nesters, but we are having a great time thanks to Dr. Sun and the energy and the life she's given both of us.